Hello dear students, welcome back to online classes organized by Gurukul Sampada School for the standard 8. Today here we are going to learn the subject mathematics. Today I am going to teach you the rules to compare two rational numbers. Now we already studied what is a rational number. I am again repeating. Rational number is a number which can be written in the form of a upon b and b should not equal to 0, and we know that a is called the numerator, b is called the denominator, and b should not equal to 0 means value of b, value of denominator should never equal to 0, it should be greater than 0. Okay, now rules to compare the two rational numbers. So first rule is what? Suppose we are considering a upon b and c upon d are two rational numbers, okay, and we have to compare the two rational number, and from that we want to predict which rational number is greater and which one is the smaller. Okay, so first rule is what? If a into d is less than b into c, then rational number a upon b is less than c upon d. Now this sign is what? Less than. Okay, now what is this actually? If I take an example, so your idea will be clear. So example is what? Minus 7 upon 9. Okay, this is the first rational number, and second rational number is 4 upon 5. Now we know that first rational number is nothing but a upon b, and second rational number is nothing but c upon d. So here, okay, so we have to do the what? A into d, that is a is what? Minus 7 into d is what? D is the 5, so minus 7 into 5. Okay, and next one is what? B into c. B is what now? 9. Okay, and into c is what? 4. Clear? So minus 35, and this one is 36. So we know that 36 is greater than this. Okay, means this is the condition. If a into d is less than b into c, now this condition is satisfied for first rule. Therefore a upon b is less than c upon d. Means what? Rational number minus 7 by 9 is smaller than rational number 4 upon 5. Okay, now this is the rule, but important point, note, that is a negative number is always less than a positive number. Okay, means without using the rule, you can also predict that minus 7 by 9 is smaller than 4 by 5, because what is the important note here? A negative number is always less than a positive number. Okay, so this is the rule number 1. Okay, now next rule number 2. Now what is the rule number 2? That is, if a into d is equal to b into c, okay, then a upon b is equal to c upon d. Okay, now again I take one example. Okay, suppose 3 upon 5 and 6 upon 10. Okay, now again I am writing here a is equal to 3, b is equal to 5. Okay, and from this c is equal to 6 and d is equal to 10. Now we use the rule number second, that is a, that is into d, that is 3 into 10. Second, b into c, b is 5 into C as a 6. So 10 3s are 30. 5 6 are 30. Now in this case both the sides are equal. That is rule number 2 is satisfied. A into D is equal to B into C. Correct? So 30 equal to 30. Means what? A upon B is equal to C upon D. That is 3 upon 5, rational number 3 upon 5 is equal to 6 upon 10. That is both the rational numbers are equal. Both the rational numbers are equal. Okay, so this is a rule number second. I hope all of you understood. This is a rule number 2. If this condition is satisfied, then both the rational numbers are same. And now last rule, rule number 3. Now rule number 3 is what? If A into D is greater than B into C, then A upon B is greater than C upon D. Okay, so we take one example, that is 5 upon 4 and 2 upon 3. Okay, so we use the rule number 3. Here A is 5, B is 4, C is 2, D is 3, because C upon D, A upon B. Now we use the rule number 3. A into D, so A is 5, into D is 3. Second, B into C, B is 4, into C into 2. So 5 3s are 15, 4 2s are 8. So 15 is greater than 8. Then what? The first rational number A upon B is greater than C by D. Therefore 5 by 4, which is the first rational number, is greater than 2 by 3. So this is rule number 3. Okay, so like this we studied the 3 rules, okay, used to compare two rational numbers. Means what? Whenever the question is given for you, compare the two rational numbers, then you have to use these rules, okay, and which rule is satisfied for the given numerical, accordingly you want to write the answer. Again I am comparing. First, if A into D is less than B into C, then A upon B is less than C upon D. Second rule, if A into B is equal, A into D is equal to B into C, then A upon B is equal to C upon D. Okay, and third rule, last, if A into D is greater than B into C. Okay, third rule, if A into D is greater than A upon B is greater than C upon D. Okay, so these 3 rules are used to compare the two rational numbers. I hope all of you understood how to compare the two rational numbers. So see you next lecture. Thank you very much.